Today my topic is use of modern technology. In our day-to-day life, technology is very useful and important. Furthermore, it has made communication much easier than ever before. The introduction of modified and advanced innovations of phones and its application has made connecting to people much easier. So my dear class fellows, moreover, technology not only transformed our professional world, but also has changed the household life to great extent. In addition, most of the technology that we today use is generally automatic in comparison to that our parents and grandparents had in their days. My dear teachers, due to technology and the entertainment industry, they have more techniques to provide us with a more realistic real-time experience. At the end, I want to conclude that we cannot live without modern technology.